All right. Defense is here for early termination. Do you have an objection?
State subject.
Okay. All right. Do y'all want this on the record or no?
It's up to you, Your Honor.
Okay. All right. Probation.
Yes, Judge.
Can you tell me how has Mr. Aceves been doing on probation?
Quite well on probation. At this point, we don't have any concerns. He's always shown to be respectful in every office visit. He's always been forthcoming and respectful during any field visit. Has no issues with presenting his phone if we need to check his phone. Us entering the residence, going through his things in his room. He's not posed any problems there. All of his UAs have been negative. He's up to date with all of his fees and he's completed all of his classes. I did reach out to his officer to see what his thoughts were and concerns to the motion from early termination based on defense counsel. And his officer has absolutely no issues with early termination.
All right, thank you. And state, since you're silent, you may be excused.
Thank you, Judge.
All right. I cannot believe, right? Now, and when I say I cannot believe, what I mean by that is, I remember when you were first before me, young, super young. He looked super young. Time really goes by quickly. And I know since you've been to court, you've had some tragedy happen in your life, but you were able to handle it and talk to people. So how you been doing? How's life been treating you?
Yes, pretty well. The job Johnny Cisneros presented me, it's been pretty good. They turned me pretty good on the job. I have a great supervisor, and I pretty love working over there. And also, I'm very thankful that I stay up with my family and try to help my mother financially, and well, also taking care of my sister and my cousin that is living with us. Try to help them when my mother's not there for work and all that.
I'm so proud of you. You've done great work. I'm so glad that you completed everything. And I know there was the GPS issue, but it really wasn't an issue. It was just paperwork that hadn't been there. So you've never violated any terms of your probation. You were, it is so good for you that this was your attorney. And I say that other attorneys, maybe they would have done the same thing, but he was your attorney, but also a mentor to help you get employment and help you throughout this process. So I remember the first day you came in, and now you're doing great. So I want you to keep up the good work. I'm still here. And if I'm still here, you can always come back if there are some issues, okay?
Yes, sir.
But Attorney Cisneros, anything you want to say about it?
I just want to express how proud I am of this young man. I believed him from day one. The first interview I had with him is like, this young man didn't mean to say what he said. And I relayed that to you, I remember. And then you were going to put him as a condition of deferred, you were going to put him in jail for a while, and then there was an issue back there where some inmates were threatening to beat him up and things like that. And I remember I had just gotten home and I changed clothes, and you called me, Mr. Cisneros, you need to come over here. We have an issue with Mr. Aceves, and I was kidding with you, of course, like I always do. Judge, I have to go rent a new suit now. I told you that. And I came over here, and you believed my story, and because it was sincere and it was true. And here we are. I mean, he had a hard time getting a job because of the charge and everything like that. And I told him, son, I think I can get you a job, but my name's going to be behind my word. And my word, I think, is always good. So you better not let me down. And sure enough, he got a job, and they've given him promotions. They've given him pay raises. and they're very proud of him there. In fact, I went to his place of employment 2 weeks ago to have lunch with the owner and another friend of mine that works there.
Mm.
And they were telling me how proud they are of him and everything. So I hope that the court does allow him to terminate early. And by the way, I have Miss Lauren Dillon with me.
Hi.
today.
You have a great mentor.
So,
I do.
Yes, he is so awesome.
thank you.
All right, thank you. So, do you want to still be on probation where you can still visit your officer, or see, I've done a little catch-22 with him. But no, I'm going to grant your application for early termination, and you've done fabulous work. And when I place people on probation, I always tell them I don't like sending people to prison. I take no joy in that. I'm hoping they'll be rehabilitated when they're on probation, go forth, live their life, do great things. So I'm excited for you, and the future is bright.
Thank you so much, Yoni.
All right.
Appreciate it.
All right.
One
you're
more
welcome.
thing. When he was here, when we were here first, he looked like a young boy.
Mhm.
And now he looks like, well, he is a young man.
Yes.
And I saw him the other day and he looks all buffed and I said, golly, I can't beat your arm wrestling anymore. So I'm very proud of him. Thank you so much, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Well, congratulations. Once they give me the application to, oh, she's bringing it now. All right, congratulations.
If I can say, I think it will be a great surprise to my mother as a present because today is her birthday too.
Oh, I said happy
awesome.
birth month until I said happy Black History Month because it's in the month of February.
Yeah.
All right,
I
well, you-
wish his, I'm sorry for interrupting.
No, go ahead.
I wish his father was alive to see this. His
Yeah.
father believed in me
Mhm.
and oh my God, I wish he was here with us.
Well, you know what? He knows.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So-
Go, Johnny. And Johnny, don't
I
make
get
me cry.
emotional with my clients. I
know you
give
do.
my whole heart to them,
Yeah.
and some of them follow my advice and some don't, and I'm so proud of him that he did.
Awesome. And I know you'll stay in contact with your attorney. He's a good support system for you, okay? And then, like I say, if I'm here, you can always come back here and talk to me, all right?
Mhm.
All
Thank
right.
you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Congratulations.
Thank you.
All right, bye-bye.
Proud of you, man.
Good morning.
Good morning, Your Honor.
All right, the court is calling 2024 CR 011234, State versus Angela White Magpie. Could I have parties announced?
Ready for the state. Ray Lopez for the defense.
And are you Miss White Magpie?
Yes, ma'am.
Am I pronouncing your last name correctly?
Very correctly.
Thank you. Counsel, have you received all discovery? Did you review it with your client?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Miss, did you review the application for deferred adjudication with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
We do, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Yeah.
Ms. White Magpie, did you review court admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, Your Honor.
You're charged with possession of a controlled substance, penalty group 1, less than 1 gram. That's a state jail felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 180 days up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to $10,000 fine. If you have a plea with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you, and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. You have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent. By entering this plea, you're giving up those rights. Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case? Oh, all right, let me explain it differently. Sometimes my question is confusing. All right, you understand the rights you
Yes,
have?
Your Honor.
All right, do you
Yes.
want to enter into this plea?
Yes.
All right, and you know by entering this plea, you're giving up those rights?
Yes.
And are you intending to do that?
No.
Not
Wait.
willing to give up your rights?
Yes, yes, yes,
Okay,
yes.
that's
I'm
okay.
So sorry.
No,
I
no, no,
apologize.
no need to apologize. Sometimes we get nervous and sometimes my questions are confusing. So you understand you have a right to
Yes.
remain silent.
I understand that.
When you enter this plea, you're giving up that right. You understand?
Yes, sir.
You have a right for the state to call whatever witnesses they think they need to prove their case. You understand?
Yes,
And when they call their witnesses, you can question them or either your attorney can question them. You understand?
yes, sir.
Because you're entering this plea, you're giving up those rights. Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
And did you intend to do that?
Yes,
You also have a right to a jury trial. And so 12 jurors will sit, they'll listen to whatever evidence is presented and decide on whether you're guilty or not guilty if they can come to a decision. Do you understand?
yes,
Because you're entering this plea, there's not going to be a jury trial, so you're giving up that right. Do you understand?
yes,
Did you understand if I grant your application for deferred adjudication, if for any reason your deferred adjudication is revoked, I could find you guilty and sentence you up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine?
yes.
All right. Court will find that defendant has knowingly, I'm sorry. Just 1 second. I'm making it something in the paperwork. Just 1 second. Okay. Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you believe she has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against her?
I do, Your Honor.
Do you believe she's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
I do, Your Honor.
Miss, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter the
No,
plea? Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
no,
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
yes,
All right. If you're not a US citizen, when you enter this plea, you will be deported, denied naturalization, or reentry. Did you understand?
yes,
All right, court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived her right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
yes, Your Honor.
According to the plea, there's a $1,000 fine and the state recommends deferred adjudication. Did you understand that to be your plea?
Yes,
Defense,
It is, Your Honor.
state?
Yes, I understand, Judge.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney?
yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand it and sign it in both places?
Yes, Your Honor.
By signing that, you're waiving your right to appeal. The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Have there been any such motions?
No, Your Honor.
Outside the agreement, the state is recommending that your deferred adjudication be for a term of 2 years. There be 100 hours of community service restitution, the DOEP course, and anti-theft course. Did you understand those are recommendations from the state and the court does not have to follow those recommendations?
Yes, Your
Then to the offense, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
Honor. No contest.
State, any evidence?
Judge, up statement number 1 and all copies.
No objections, Your Honor.
All right, state, you may be excused. All right, did you review the waiver and stipulations with your attorney?
Yes.
Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, Your Honor.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call and the right to remain silent?
Yes,
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there will be no live testimony? Did you understand? Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments, and the court will review the same. All right, after reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments. Just 1 moment. The court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty. The court will defer finding of guilt as you've applied for deferred adjudication. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor.
Anything you wish to say on your client's behalf?
We just asked the court to follow the agreement.
So do you have any family here in,
and like
okay, because it shows that you're originally from a different state.
originally, yeah. but I have family that lives here and I live here.
All right, so who do you have for a support system?
My wife of 12 years, my son, and most importantly, my grandkids. I just recently had. I haven't been in any trouble and try to be a positive role model for them.
All right, so what is it? So this is from 2023.
Yes, Your Honor.
So have you been in any type of rehab or anything of that nature?
I'm Native American and I've been in close contact with my culture, Native American culture, which is very inspiring. I've been sober for 2 years, 3 months and some weeks. I've been doing really good. My grandkids changed my life.
Okay, and how old are they?
6, and I had one Christmas Eve of this past year.
All right, so who lives in the home with you?
My son, his wife, my grandchildren, and my wife.
All right. All right, this is what the court is going to do. The court is going to sentence you to 2 years deferred adjudication, $1,000 fine, that will be probated. When's the last time you had employment?
That's what I'm looking forward to now. I have a job with Five Guys, hamburger,
Yes.
burger place.
All right, now I heard of them.
Yeah, I'm excited to get back to work and get started.
All right, proof of employment within 45 days, no employment as a home health care provider or with minors. Regular reporting by Zoom or in person. Regular random UAs. 100 hours of community service restitution. I'm gonna order parenting classes. Once she completes that, the community service hours shall be deemed satisfied. Field visits 1 time per month until further notice. TAP evaluation out of custody. Follow recommendations. However, if it recommends inpatient treatment, we'll start with outpatient treatment. And there's going to be 20 sober support meetings and 20 days. Probation, is there anything else? Is there anything else you need from the court in order to be successful?
No, ma'am, I'm looking forward to being successful in this behind me.
All right. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes. Yes,
Right,
sir.
because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand?
Yes.
All right, so we can go off the record. Here's the thing. Do not disappear on probation. If for any reason you feel as though you're going to use, pick up the phone, call probation and let them know. And you know what they're going to do? They're going to contact me and they're going to give me a sheet of paper. And on that sheet of paper, they're going to say, you need some additional help. And guess what we're going to do? We're going to give you the additional help. So don't say, you know, I didn't report because this is what's going to happen or this is what's going to happen. Nobody has a crystal ball, right? Stay in touch with them.
I will.
Okay.
I will.
All right. Good luck to you.
Disappoint you.
All right. Thank you so much. Good luck.
Thank you. Good luck to you.
Okay, thank you.
Who's next?
Page 3, second one down. Thank you.
James Garcia.
Judge, that is my case. Can I approach?
Yes.
Judge, the court